Your Instagram has 4 followers. Refresh the page, suddenly there's thousands following you. Looks cleaner, better, and instantly more trustworthy. That's exactly what I'll show you in this video. How to bot cheap Instagram followers in 2025 using Naizop. Now let me clear this up right away. This strategy is never a shady app. No handing over your Instagram password to some random site in the dark corners of the internet. This is a straight up, step-by-step method that anyone can use. Whether you're a small creator, a brand trying to look legit, or just someone who's tired of flexing 4 lonely followers, this is how you make your profile look active in hours, not months. All right, step 1's easy. Head over to naizop.com. The link's in the description below. Don't worry about typing it out. Create your account, and boom, you're inside the dashboard. First thing you'll want to do is click on Add Deposit, and then Top Up Balance. You can pay via card or crypto. For this demo, let's toss in $15. That's nothing crazy. On top of that, you get 25 cents as a bonus. Pretty slick, huh? Next, click on All Services and scroll to Instagram. You'll see tons of options, but for this demo, pick Instagram followers. High quality, high drop, 50% plus standard, 10,000 per day. Now, here's the fun part. Paste in your Instagram profile link. And quick reminder, your account has to be public, or else the followers won't go in. For this demo, we're ordering 1,000 followers on this test profile. The cost? Just about $9.20. That's cheaper than a fast food combo meal. But instead of fries, you're getting instant social proof. Once you smash that Order Now button, you're basically done. No babysitting required. On average, it kicks in within 6 hours, and then your follower count starts climbing on autopilot, like watching your Instagram grow while you sleep. All right, let's roll the proof. Before, this account looked like it's abandoned. Barely a handful of followers, 0 engagement, and nothing to see. But after placing the order, refresh the page and boom, numbers start shooting up. And here's the key. People judge your profile in seconds. They don't read your bio, they don't scroll your posts, they just glance at that follower number. High followers equals instant trust, and instant trust equals more clicks, more collabs, and way more opportunities knocking at your DMs. Now, that's how to bot cheap Instagram followers in 2025 using Naizop. Quick, safe, and simple. Want free followers? Drop your IG handle in the comments. I'll pick random accounts every week to boost. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.